out my buddy's AMG wagon. This thing is clean. It's a 06. Very well kept. He just picked up this toy. If you need any work done on your car, he specializes in Mercedes and other vehicles as well, imports, domestics. He'll take care of you. Definitely check out GTP Motorsports. This thing is just a rare vehicle. It's immaculate. It's a little dirty right now, but this thing has a go. Yeah, if you need anything done, GTP Motorsports. They're in Gaithersburg. Anything from, you know, small customizations to oil changes, maintenance, anything for your truck, car, van. Testing of the new gimbal. It's actually pretty cool. I'll be dropping off these right now. Hopefully get these mounted in the next day or two. That way we can finally get them on the car. Until then, stay tuned. Another little update. I initially wanted to get a carbon fiber shifter, custom made. That's the plan still, but for now, because of turnaround time and so on, I picked up this pretty cool shift boot. It is made for different Acuras. This one says ILX, but TSX, TL, TSX, I believe they share the same shifter for certain years. So I got this online. As you can see, it's coming from somewhere in Asia. Quality seems to be pretty good for what it is. As you can see, the red stitching with the black leather. This should match very well with the interior and the steering wheel I have. I will be doing a little bit of sewing, it looks like, so this should be fun. But overall, I mean, for I think this was about 30 bucks. You can't beat it. I mean, the old shifter on there right now is a little beat up, so as they are typically on Acuras, the leather shifters don't really hold up too well. You guys a look of what it looks like inside. Installed. It matches the interior pretty well, I would say, with the black and red theme. This also has red stitching, just like the steering wheel. So I will get this back portion over here sewed in, maybe before I leave the shop today or when I come back later, during this weekend possibly.